We're waiting for the stars to line up, guys. We're waiting for President Trump's crypto party tomorrow. What's going to happen on the back of that? But in the meantime, this is going to be a follow-on video from Cardano. How fearful is the market at the moment? How is Cardano performing? What key levels need to hold? And once we break these key levels, you all know where the projections are. Okay, we are going to jump into the Cardano chart very shortly, but where are we in the markets at the moment? We're in extreme fear. Yesterday, still extreme fear, we were 20, we're 25 today. Last month, we were 44. The month before, guys, we were in extreme greed. Markets needed to pull back, markets needed to cool off. Guess what? Altcoins got hammered, and guess what? Everybody's in extreme fear. So we're 25 today, we were 20 yesterday. Why is that? Because we've had a green day. We've had a pump in the altcoins today. And that's going into potentially positive news tomorrow. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, guys, but the market looks positive today. So that's the fear and greed index. We'll jump into Cardano. We know that the crypto bubbles are looking good today. The stars are aligned up. How is Cardano performing? It's this key level here, guys, this $1 level. It's acting as a rejection point. Once we'd broken through this level, we needed to hold this level as support. We come back down. You can see these key levels that we've marked out here, guys. There was the low there. You can see the accumulation of price action. There was the previous high of this move. We said that was going to be the rejection. 82 cents rejected for over a week. We broke through. Guess what happened? 82 cents reversed from resistance and flipped support. So you can see we held support here. However, we haven't broken out of the channel. We're rejecting at $1, and that's going to be the next key level to overcome. So once we break out of the channel, guys, one thing that could happen here is a bull flag or a bull pennant. Something like this, where the chart will do this, and then you're going to break to the upside or you're going to break to the downside. But what it's going to allow it to do is monitor whether you're right or whether you're wrong by looking for the break and understanding whether you've put in a higher low. If you put in a higher low, what does that allow for? Protections, protections, protections. You know exactly where your risk to reward is by protecting yourself below the low. That's just a hypothetical example, guys. This is what needs to happen in Cardano in the next couple of days. So what I'm going to do is jump into the 4-hour chart. Before we do that, I just wanted to show you this divergence that we talked about in the last video. This is what happens when you get a bullish divergence, guys. What is a bullish divergence? It's when you put in a higher low on your indicator. In this instance, it's the RSI. Put in a higher low, we put in a lower low on the chart. What happened? We got this big bullish candle. So this divergence is playing out now on the daily, and we got a big bounce on the back of that. So if we just jump into the 4-hour, we can see exactly what needs to happen today. And you can see that we're pulling back. This is the pennant that I was talking about, guys. Pulling back, trying to make a move. So potentially we could come all the way back down to this support zone here, all the way down to 82 cents. If 82 cents doesn't hold, guys, what happens? You're getting pushed into the bottom half of the channel. What happens when you pushed in the bottom half of the channel? That's when you're bearish. That's when your RSI, just pull it up, starts trading below the 50 level. So we want to be above the 50 level on the RSI. We want to be above 82 cents. We want to be holding 82 cents. And ultimately, once we get a big break, we know exactly where we're looking for. Once you get a break of $1.30 all the way up to $2, there's little wiggle room there. You can see, looking left, little wiggle room there. So expect an acceleration. Anybody that's been watching this channel, they know time and time again what I've been saying, guys. Once you break this $1.33, no resistance until $2 or little resistance to $2. And that's why it's so difficult to beat at the moment. You've got other altcoins at the moment, other layer ones that have absolutely smashed through their 38.2% retracement, tested their 61.8. Some of them tested their 61.8, broke straight through. Some of them put in all-time highs, guys. Cardano's got good fundamentals. It's lagging. When something's lagging, when it gets a pump, it's going to get a bigger pump. So that's why we're looking for it. That's why we're monitoring it. And that's why I'm looking for this perfect entry. Breaking out of this channel is going to be significant for me. $1, a break and close above $1 is going to be the key significant area for me for Cardano. So if you did find it useful, guys, get yourself on this Discord, completely free. Meet a group of friends that have got similar thoughts, similar likes, similar kind of interests to what you've got, guys. Get yourself on the Discord. So I'll see you in the next one.